Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue set number 18, most important 500 MCQs test series. So let's start. A rosy sanctuary will I dress with the redder tallies of a working brain. The above line are quoted from Adonis, Ode to Psyche, Eve of St. Agnes, Endymion. Correct answer option number B, Ode to Psyche. Ode to Psyche written by John Keats and published 1820. Lily Briscoe is the character taken from Virginia Woolf's Mrs. Dalloway, A Room of One's Own, To the Lighthouse, The Waves. Correct answer option number C, To the Lighthouse. Lighthouse written by Virginia Woolf and published 1927. Lily Briscoe, it is a fictional character, a painter and one of the central characters in the novel To the Lighthouse. George Eliot's attempt to write a historical novel of Italian Renaissance was not successful. Which was this novel? Adam Bede, Felix Holt, Silas Marner, Romola. Correct answer option number D, Romola. Romola published 1863. Romola, it is a historical novel by George Eliot, set in 15th century. Which book of Ludwig Feuerbach was translated by Marianne Evans and published in 1854? The Kingdom of God is Within You, Either or, Essence of Christianity, Why I Am Christian. So here correct answer option number C, Essence of Christianity. Essence of Christianity, first published in the German language 1841 by the Ludwig Feuerbach, and it explained the Feuerbach's philosophy and the critique of religion. Next question. Northanger Abbey is a parody of dash romance, Oriental, Gothic, French and popular. Correct answer option number B, Gothic. Northanger Abbey, written by Jane Austen and published 1817. Catherine Morland, a young woman protagonist of the Northanger Abbey, who obsessed with Gothic novels. Next question. Who among the following authors was greatly influenced by Thomas Carlyle's writing styles? Charles Dickens, Elizabeth Gaskell, Emily Bronte, both A and B. Correct answer option number D, both A and B. Charles Dickens and Elizabeth Gaskell influenced the Thomas Carlyle's writing style. Thomas Carlyle was a British historian, satirical writer, essayist, translator, philosopher, mathematician and a teacher also. And the Thomas Carlyle born 1795 and died 1881. Next question. Who narrates Heart of Darkness? An unnamed narrator, Marlowe, director of companies, Coetzee. So here correct answer option number B, Marlowe. The Heart of the Darkness, first published 1899, and it is a novella by Polish English novelist Joseph Conrad. The Prelude, first version, finished in 1805 but was completed and published until 1850, 1815, 1820, 1830. Correct answer option number A, 1850. The Prelude or Growth of a Poet's Mind. It is an autobiographical poem in a blank verse by English poet William Wordsworth. What was Thomas Carlyle's nationality? Irish, German, Scottish, American. Correct answer option number C, Scottish. Thomas Carlyle was born 4th December 1795 in Scotland. Next question. In which of his work Carlyle said, "The history of the world is but the biography of a great man." Sartre Resartus, The French Revolution, Past and Present, On Heroes, Hero Worship, and a Heroic in History. Correct answer? Option number D, The On Heroes, Hero Worship, and the Heroic in History. It is published 1841. It is a collection of 6 lectures given in May 1840. Next question. Who wrote French Revolution? John Ruskin, Thomas Carlyle, Thomas Hardy, Walter Pater. Correct answer, option number B, Thomas Carlyle written The French Revolution, a history published 1837 in a 3-volume. Next question. Which book of the Carlyle inspired Charles Dickens' 1859 novel A Tale of Two Cities? The Life of John Sterling, The French Revolution, Schiller, The Frederick the Great. Correct answer, option number B, The French Revolution. French Revolution published 1837 in a 3-volume. Next question. When was Sartre Resartus published? 1836, 1832, 1834, 1838. Correct answer, option number A, 1836. It is a philosophical novel written by Thomas Carlyle. First published in an installment in a Fraser's magazine from 1833 to 1834. Next question. Who translated Unto This Last in a Gujarati? Mahatma Gandhi, Govindji Desai, John Ruskin, R.K. Narayan. Correct answer, option number A, Mahatma Gandhi translated Unto This Last into a Gujarati in 1908 under the title of Sarvodaya. Next question. What was the genre of Sartre Resartus? Tragic, biography, epic, comic. Correct answer, option number D, comic. It is a comic novel written by Thomas Carlyle. Next question. John Ruskin belongs to which era? Elizabeth era, Victorian period, modern period, contemporary period. Correct answer, option number B, Victorian period. John Ruskin was born in Brunswick Square in London 1819 and died Lancashire in 1900. John Ruskin wrote on which of the following subjects other than English literature? Geology, architecture, and theology, all of above. Correct answer, option number D, all of above. John Ruskin wrote on a subject geology, architecture, ornithology, myth, literature, botany, political economy. Next question. Who wrote Modern Painters? Walter Pater, Thomas Carlyle, John Ruskin, Thomas Hardy. Correct answer, option number C, John Ruskin. John Ruskin wrote A Modern Painters in a 5-volume written from 1843 to 1860. Next question. When was The Stones of Venice published? 1851 to 53, 1855 to 57, 1860 to 63, 1845 to 50. Correct answer, option number A, 1851 to 53. Written by John Ruskin. It is a 3-volume work. Next question. Which book of the John Ruskin influenced Mahatma Gandhi? Unto This Last, The Stones of Venice, Modern Painters, 7 Types of Lamps. Correct answer, option number A, Unto This Last. Unto This Last had a very important impact on Mahatma Gandhi's philosophy. Gandhi decided immediately not only to change his own life according to Ruskin's teaching, but also to publish his own newspaper. Next question. Genre of Unto This Last: essay, poem, play, story. Correct answer. Option number A, essay. Unto This Last, published between August to December 1860 in the monthly journal Cornhill magazine in a 4 articles. Now we reach at the end of this session. I hope you like these questions very much. So here one quiz for you. Write me in the comment box Mahatma Gandhi translated Unto This Last into Gujarati language in 1908. So under which title Mahatma Gandhi translated Unto This Last? Write me in the comment box answer of this question. So that's it for today. See you soon for more video. Till then, bye.